Jesse T out on a lake? Swimming out on the lake?
Sister is going to try to attack you. Watch your legs because, and it's a hey, not a, get over here.
I'm on the swing. Get that out. Chris is like staring at the camera. He's like, oh, thanks for taking me out on an adventure, guys. Good morning, what is up? I am out here on the GoPro today. I'm currently driving up to Fairfield, Connecticut. I am going to meet my mentor teacher. She worked with me all school year long. Obviously, you guys know it was my first year in my new job. So I'm on summer break. Well, we're on summer break. You know, that teacher life. I'm going to hang out with her at her farm. So we're gonna go see some farm animals. You can't see my chicken shirt right now, but you'll see it. And then I'm also going to hang out with her at the lake. So it should be a beautiful day. It's already 88 degrees outside. It's not even noon yet. So gonna be a great day. You guys are tagging along with me. I got a brekkie sandwich that I'm about to eat. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I am at the farm. Go ahead, you could be on film. I love this. This is nice. Ah, you match my shirt. Haha. Haha. Hi guys. Fred. I've seen you in pictures.
That's Cash. These are the rest of you guys. He's a crazy one.
I love that you have them up in the mountain. It's like great. I like the Sasquatch again.
My husband built all of this by himself.
Really? Yeah, this is so
It took him a
cool.
long time.
So unique. They're all so unique.
It's blue.
Blue.
And that's the black one over there behind you. She's been my longest one. She's like 5 years. The rest of them are like within the last 3.
Bye, Dino.
Bye. Get out.
All right, we're out. We're out of your way.
Yeah, I was up here yesterday. I had them out yesterday for a while.
Yeah, I want to walk around this. This is so cool. So he built this all up? Oh, yeah? Oh, I didn't see that.
Charlie! Don't you dare!
I got you on camera. So try. Can I pose like him? I'm gonna go pose like him.
Do I do this?
Oh, it's recording.
Oh, nice. Oh. Awesome. But it's so nice out, isn't it?
Gorgeous. Cutie, little cutie. All right, go ahead, run away. Goodbye, see you soon. Feeling like a nature boy today. Not that I'm not in nature, but like, definitely nature-y today. What'd you say was in here? Tortoises.
I don't see them.
They're hiding. Oh, I see. Oh, here's one. Hey. Oh my god, he's so tiny. He's so cute. I see her over there too. She's hiding behind the pot over here. Think you gonna get seen, spotted.
So they just finished setting this one.
Yeah, this is really cool. Little animal sanctuary. Oh, the sand feels nice. I cracked this open. Hi, buddy. Mason, that's my middle name. Yeah, Jesse Mason. Yeah. That was so nice. Out on the lake.
You ready? Here we go.
We're going to find a dam. Yeah. Throw a little peace sign up. Wow, that was a nice little 360 view. Oh, I knew that was gonna happen. I float. Oh, we're up though. I made it to the top. I want to be near that snake though.
You heard the frog?
Yeah. Beautiful day at the lake. Oh my god, I'm dripping sweat. Beautiful day at the lake. during the Revolutionary War. Beautiful. Let's go into the antique shop.
Cash only. All right. Well, whatever.
There's so much going on in this town. Keep me busy, I've been running up and down all these avenues, doing everything.
What a beautiful day at the lake. Hang on, let me put you in a safer spot to talk to you. Beautiful day at the lake. I'm so glad that I did that. Shout out my mentor teacher, Damien. Thank you for having me. I'm glad that we get to hang out and do things like this. Just enjoying nature and enjoying beautiful lakes. So I'm out. Peace out. See you guys. Thank you so much for tagging along on this adventure. I appreciate every single one of you for watching and tuning into my videos. Again, yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys for the next one, whenever that may be. Peace and love always. Appreciate y'all. Bye.
She'll go after you too.
The afro is crazy.
Hi, yes.
I love your little afro.